everybody. So we're on the road as usual. It's actually quite beautiful tonight though, the way the light is hitting these mountains. Let's flip you around. So here's our current view. Beautiful. And we're trying to keep up with Bob, who's got a bit of a lead foot still. But the RV's in one piece, so that's good. Okay, well, I just woke up not long ago, and it looks like we're going to see some blue skies and sunshine today. So we're pulling out of here, and our first stop today is going to be a laundromat. So let's go find one. Good old Chemainus. As you can see, it's pretty popular with RVers. I don't know what is going on with that slide out. Some of them are pretty rough. There's the Chemainus Town Bakery. And if I'm right, yep, laundromat right here. So let's see if we can find somewhere to park. I don't think we're gonna fit in there, and I don't know how these people are gonna feel about me parking in front of their house. But let's give it a try. All right, well, we got parked. Nana's enjoying some sunshine, and I'm about to go into the laundromat. Even the laundromat's covered in a mural. Really is a quaint little town, Chemainus. All right, well, we got the laundry done. I didn't put it away, but I did just throw it in the bedroom and change my clothes. I'm feeling human again. Fresh, how do you feel? And now, we're off to the ferry. Okay, 47% available according to the sign, so let's hope there's room for us. Of course, it's starting to rain again, but we're almost at the ferry terminal, Duke Point, service to Tsawwassen. Okay, so all vehicles this lane. Hopefully we don't have to wait too long for a ferry. Okay, well, we got our ticket. It was not cheap. Look, 129 bucks just for the RV. Oh well. I'm freezing. So weird. You'll drive I only drove half an hour and it went from being sunny and beautiful to cloudy and cold. I hope the ferry gets here soon. Presh, are you done peeing? I want to go back to the RV and blast the furnace. Come on, Presh, let's go. Pretty nice ferry terminal though, because they have a playground for the kids and an indoor center, and bam, a giant billboard, of course, going through the COVID procedures. But a second ago it did say the next ferry's at 12:45, and unluckily for me, it is only 11:30. Well, another rainbow, and it looks like the sky's starting to clear up. Hopefully it warms up a little bit. So one thing you got to do when you take the ferry here, at least in Canada, is turn off your propane. So, okay, we've got that turned off, and I was going to put my sticker on, but there's still one on there from the last ferry ride. so I won't worry about that. Check our level. Oh boy, I should have got propane before I left.
In line with direction provided by the provincial health officer, BC Ferry is advising all customers to avoid non-essential travel at this time. To promote the health and safety of our customers, employees, and communities, it is mandatory for all passengers aged 2 and up to wear a face mask at all times when at a terminal.
They're going on about the COVID rules and how there's a ban on travel unless it's only essential. I guess that explains why I'm the only RV. Well, they're letting on all the smaller vehicles first, it seems. And then I guess all us big boys. Me and all the transport trucks. All right, time for us to board the boat. Thankfully, the sunshine's starting to come back out. Let's hope we take it with us over to the other side. They really cram people in here. Look, I mean, there's only inches on each side. Oh boy. I feel like I've been waiting forever to get off this boat. They let the row beside me out, and now I can see them letting out people on the other side. I don't know why we can't get out. And we wait, I guess. Okay, we got off the ferry finally, and now I think we're gonna try and find ourselves a grocery store of some sort so that I can buy something to cook for dinner. I can see Vancouver way over there in the distance. So I just passed my first gas station here back on the mainland, and gas is $1.35 a liter. Woo, my God, it was only $1.14 this morning when I got gas, I don't know, somewhere around Chemainus. Yikes, that's an additional 15 cents per liter. Woo, God, a nano holds like 300 liters, so it adds up pretty quickly. I'm not impressed. Well, you can tell we're back on the mainland just by how busy it is. I'm not used to driving in traffic anymore. I'm all stressed out. So we're just here at the rest area. I parked back here with all the big tractor trailers and stuff. There is a couple RVs parked down there. So we'll take Precious out for a walk here around the rest area and take a look at all the rigs. I see a cool schoolie over there I want to check out. As you can see here, there's quite a few, I'm going to call them long-term residents here.
This one's got to be one of the coolest things I've seen on the road yet here in BC. I love it. Old Dodge. Ooh, hey puppy in the window. And their plate says Love Shack. I love it. theloveshack.com. So I'm not sure, like that one over there has an Ontario plate. There's no front plate on that, so I don't think it's from BC. And a few of those ones are from BC. So I think there's just, you know, a lot of snowbirds that couldn't cross the border, and they ended up with no place to go. So we did sleep here once before with Patrick and Bob when we all first got here to the Vancouver area. We ended up here at this rest area. And some of the people that are here were here when we were here before. So they've been here for a few months. So I don't know if they just have nowhere else to go or what the deal is. Well guys, I'm sure by now you're probably wondering why the heck I'm even over here in Vancouver area. And the answer to that question will be revealed in the next video. So you'll have to stay tuned and wait for it. But I think that's going to be it for this one. I'll wrap it up here. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.